Nextcloud or FileRun. In 2025, both claim to be top-tier private file sharing tools. But which one actually delivers the better experience? In this video, we will compare features, performance, ease of use, and pricing to help you decide which one is right for you. And for now, let's dive in. Overview. First up, what are they? Nextcloud is a full-blown open source productivity suite. It's more than just file sharing. It includes calendars, contacts, video calls, and even document editing. FileRun, on the other hand, is a lightweight focused file manager. Think of it as your self-hosted alternative to Google Drive or Dropbox, but without the extras. Nextcloud is like the Swiss Army knife of cloud tools, while FileRun is the minimalist's dream, clean, fast, and no blot. Key features. Now let's talk about the features. With Nextcloud, you get real-time collaboration on documents, built-in chat and video calls, advanced sharing permissions, App Store for plugins. FileRun offers fast, responsive user interface, file tagging and metadata, Google Docs integration, smart search, and versioning. In short, if you want a full ecosystem, Nextcloud wins. If you just want a slick file server with zero distractions, FileRun shines. Performance and ease of use. When it comes to performance, FileRun is faster out of the box. It is lightweight and doesn't need much to run smoothly. Nextcloud, however, can feel sluggish, especially if you are on limited server resources. Ease of use. FileRun is easier for beginners. The user interface is modern and intuitive, perfect for small teams or solo users. Nextcloud has a steeper learning curve, but rewards power users with tons of customization. Pricing and hosting. Both are self-hosted, meaning you can run them on your own server or choose a hosting provider. Nextcloud has free and enterprise options. It's fully open source and widely supported. FileRun offers a free version with limited users and a paid license starting at $69 one time. So if you are on a tight budget or want unlimited users, Nextcloud is more cost effective. Conclusion. So which one is better in 2025? If you need a full suite for team collaboration, go with Nextcloud. If you want a blazing fast, no-fuss file manager, FileRun is the winner. And now let us know down below in the comments which one you prefer. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.